Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Apple. Apple. Com with the Apple ID whose age you must change. Do that now. If the birthday field is editable, change the date and save. This is the fastest path. Once done, make sure you sign out and back into the device to propagate the setting. If the field is locked, stop and prepare to verify identity. You'll need a government ID and the Apple ID owner available for verification, because Apple limits direct edits for security. If you cannot edit the birthday, contact Apple support and request an Apple ID birthdate change. Choose the Apple ID category and explain that the field is locked. You will be asked to verify identity, upload a clear photo of your government ID and any requested forms. Apple may also ask for a selfie or a verification code. Once the agent confirms your documents, they'll process the change. Make sure to get a case number and a timeline for completion before ending. After Apple confirms the update, sign out and back into iCloud and the App Store on each device to refresh age-based settings. This forces App Store to reevaluate eligibility. Once back in, confirm app ratings, subscriptions, and family sharing roles reflect the new age. If the change doesn't take, contact the same support agent and reference your case number. If necessary, try verification from a different device or resubmit clearer ID. This usually resolves remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.